In this video, let us move on to another problem on FFT algorithm. So the question is, compute the 8-point DFT of the sequence using DIT FFT, and the sequence is given as x of n, which is equal to 1 for the time sample from 0 to 7. So n is equal to 0 to n is equal to 7. The signal value is 1. The x of n is 0 otherwise. So x of n exists only from n is equal to 0 to n is equal to 7. So that is, we can write this signal as x of n, which is equal to 1 comma 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 1. So it starts from the origin and stops up to n is equal to 7. So the first step is doing the bit reversal. So for the DIT FFT algorithm, we should take the input in the bit reversed order. We should not take it in the normal order. So we should take the input in the bit reversed order. That is x of 0, x of 4, x of 2, x of 6, x of 1, x of 5, x of 3, x of 7. The first stage of computation, we have one twiddle factor, that is e power 0, which is equal to 1. So keeping the twiddle factor 1, we have calculated, that is, we have formed 4 pairs of DFTs. So 8-point DFT is broken down into 4 pairs of DFTs, and the output of the stage 1 is 2, 0, 2, 0, 2, 0, 2, 0. Next, going on to the second stage computation. So the output of the first stage will be taken as input to the second stage. So 2, 0, 2, 0, 2, 0, 2, 0. This will be input to the second stage. And in the second stage, there are two twiddle factors, that is 1 and minus j. So we put n is equal to 0. So the expression becomes e power 0, which is equal to 1. Put n is equal to 1. So this will become e power minus j pi by 2, so which we can write it as cos pi by 2 minus j sin pi by 2, which is cos pi by 2, that is cos 90 is 0 and sin 90 is 1, right? So it will be your second twiddle factor will be minus j. So keeping 1 and minus j as twiddle factors, we have calculated the output of second stage. So the output of stage 2, that is obtained as 4 minus j, 0 j, 4 minus j, 0 and j. So the output of stage 2 will be input to stage 3. In stage 3 computation, there are 4 twiddle factors. 1, 0.707 minus j 0.707 minus j minus 0.707 and minus j 0.707. So these are the 4 twiddle factors. So keeping these 4 twiddle factors, we have formed a single DFT pair. We have clubbed all the 8 inputs and formed a single DIT pair, and we have calculated, and the output is obtained as A0000000. So this is the output of stage 3. So the output of stage 3 is the actual DFT of the given sequence. Thus we have found the DFT of the given sequence as 808, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. This will be the final answer.